Klaviyo is the only CRM built for B2C. Wait, a CRM for B2C? Yes, finally, one platform for combining marketing, service and analytics for real-time personalization, smarter decisions, and seamless growth. All the links for Klaviyo will be at the very top of the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Let's get into it. The project that we are going to be taking a look at today, folks, is Klaviyo, and they are doing something quite outstanding that really does stand out from the pack. Of course, they are using the benefits of AI to essentially create what is now this B2C CRM system, guys. It is essentially software to not actually help business to business, but an area that lacks, and that is actually business directly to the consumer. So let's pretend that I myself want to go ahead and buy a product online. Well, the particular business that I'm buying from would really gain a lot of benefit from actually having some assistance directly in the marketing department to help appeal to my specific needs, ultimately increasing revenue, increasing sales, and also potentially saving a lot of money on unnecessary high-ticketed marketing expenses. So instead of having to pay, say, for example, a marketing team, if you're a medium business of maybe 5 to 6 people, possibly tens of thousands of dollars per month, for an absolute fraction of the cost, you can actually go ahead and use Klaviyo's B2C model, guys, their system, to basically help you do the same thing. And quite frankly, it's definitely going to be a lot more efficient because it actually uses AI to essentially tailor those marketing needs for you as the business to the consumer, myself in this example, who will be buying that product. So the space in general in terms of business, in my opinion, really will benefit from this kind of AI system. And the fact that it actually keeps it all in one place in terms of the analytics, guys, it's holistic, all right? You've got the marketing, you've got the analytics all in one place together, folks, all right? As well as the customer service as well. And the thing about Klaviyo, guys, when businesses actually go ahead and use it, what you've got to realize is it just simply takes out the guesswork because we are using this software with AI technology now. All of the updates, insights, guys, it's extremely efficient and there isn't any wastage of time or resources here. Now, we're talking about being able to use everything, folks, from email, guys, websites, SMS, all the different social channels, as well as WhatsApp, guys. They can all essentially be used to activate customer data. Now, in my opinion, folks, Klaviyo, from everything that I have seen in the market today, is definitely the most powerful tool available. And the reason how we can prove this and say this with such confidence is, well, let's just take a look at existing or old models of how businesses would operate in less of a holistic, all-encompassing manner, essentially costing more money, taking more time, and overall just being less efficient. Single-use solutions, guys, with email, for example, Mailchimp. These are things of the past, guys. SMSs, guys, where you have to actually stitch tools together. It's just inefficient, guys, all right? Legacy platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot, guys, they offer bloated CRMs that are built to service B2B, but not actually B2C, guys. Business to business rather than the business to consumer, guys. It's 2025, guys. Small, medium, large businesses, a lot of them are wanting to really work directly with their consumers, guys, and not necessarily with another business. So this is really, really important to understand. It really does essentially just give all of this in one place, guys, with its power, its speed, its simplicity using the AI software. Klaviyo, folks, simply just does stand out from the crowd for a lot of reasons, folks. It's extremely easy to use, a beautiful, crisp, clean UI user interface with those AI insights that we have spoken about in quite a bit of detail there, guys. You can customize all your forms, your workflows, templates very, very easily, guys. There's an extremely deep and flexible ecosystem, guys, with 350 plus integrations and growing, guys. Klaviyo, folks, as well, because it is AI, it does get smarter every day, all right? It's the all-in-one platform, folks. We got to keep mentioning that because that is so important to understand. It really just means that you don't have to be clicking between different subscriptions, different programs, and not having to stitch things together like we mentioned before and having problems. And before you know it, you really just might spend a whole day on why Mailchimp isn't working with another particular service. No, 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 no. You don't need to worry about any of that anymore dealing with Klaviyo, folks. It's all in one, guys. It's unifying everything. So you don't need those single points, guys. Everything from email, SMS, mobile, WhatsApp, and ads all in the one place. No platforms, guys. No blind spots, no extra tools or anything like that. And folks, just to touch on the simplicity and the efficiency, guys, just go ahead, think it, do it, and automatically optimize it. You don't need to waste time with all of this, guys. Everything is built into the Klaviyo platform, folks. You can go ahead and reveal hidden insights. You've got your predictive analytics. And also as well, it's really simple and easy to go ahead and actually create fast and generative AI. You simply just describe what you want, prompt it in plain English, right? Like ChatGPT, but even better. And it's going to build exactly what you need. And it's going to continue to learn from that as well. Now, I myself, folks, as a small business owner, I'm always on the lookout for ways to make my business a lot more effective. And look no further, guys. Klaviyo, this is the one. If you want to go ahead and get signed up for Klaviyo, the link to do it will be in the description of this video. I highly recommend you go out and give it a try. You've only got things to gain, guys. You ain't got nothing to lose. There's a lot of stories and reasons why you want to get started with Klaviyo today. What person, what business wouldn't want to make their business processes more effective, more profitable, saving costs, being more efficient, reducing the need for unnecessary marketing teams and things alike, and essentially just providing a better service to your customers, ensuring that you are going to get that long-lasting, long-term client retention. Your clients are going to be coming back for repetitive business once they realize, wow, this is a seriously professional outfit and they are never going to know about Klaviyo, but you will, folks. So this is an absolute banger. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. Subscribe if you're new here, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.